Hey guys, my wife 3D printed these cool little fruit fly traps. Pretty neat. The problem is they leak. So let me show you how I'm gonna waterproof these 3D printed fruit fly traps. We're gonna use some Let's Resin, clear, fast curing resin with our curing lights. So let me show you how I did it. All right, now we're, let me see, it's cured. Yep, that's cured now. So let's do the second one. Hey guys, so it worked, it's holding water, I'm getting no leaks, and my wife is happy, so it's a win-win. Let's Resin UV resin, this is not sponsored, but I've been using them for a couple of months on various projects, a lot of wood turning projects. But I had the idea to waterproof using this because it sets up so quickly. Now, originally I did the cure for 60 seconds, but I went ahead and made that 3 minutes. So it hardens a little quicker. Because it's not a flat surface, it doesn't cure as easily. So I would definitely cure it a little longer, but worked great. My wife's happy, so appreciate you guys watching. I'll provide the link to these fly traps. They're not my design. My wife found them, so I'll share these with you if you guys want to print them yourself. So have a great one.